Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video with Scott. Today we have another Ziplock storage to show you guys. So this is a storage compartment. This allows you to have all your Ziploc bags stored nice and neatly in one thing instead of thrown around inside your drawer or on your counter. And a nice thing about these are you have multi-hub ports, and it just makes things much cleaner. Okay, so this one is a little different than the one we had before. This one, you actually can lift it open and put everything in. That's actually much nicer than the other one we had. So as you can see, you have all these different compartments. Looks like they give you decals. So we're gonna go over here. You got gallon, quart, sandwich, snack, slider, quart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got 4 slots. So you need to make sure you pick which ones you want for what. We're gonna go ahead, and the top one is gonna be for gallon. So we're gonna go ahead and put this gallon decal right on the top here, and I'll show you guys once it's done. All right, guys. So this is it. I absolutely love this because you can open it like that. That's definitely a big plus. So we're going to be mounting it over here in the future, but as you guys can see, works great. We love it. Definitely going to be used probably, maybe not daily, but every other day or every few days, you know, as we put stuff in the bags. Much nicer than stuffed containers like this.